This new feature 2024 tutorial video will teach you how to allow Operation Radius cap display of the construction equipment. This will help audience see the operation area of the construction equipment more clearly. So the objective of this tutorial is to show the operation radius cap of the tower crane. So first step, let's put a tower crane here. Go to More Options, search for Content Library, then type Tower Crane. Let's pick this, click here again, then place it here, left mouse click, then press Escape. Click on the tower crane, click Adjust Height. Let's change it to 60 meters, so 12 segments, then 5 meters each segment. So click Apply, then Close. We can also rotate this. Then let's also adjust the jib length. Let's change it to 32 meters. Number of segments is 8. Segment length is 4 meters. Click Apply, then Close. Then click on the tower crane, and then you can enable Operation Radius. So in 2024, you can enable Show Cap Only. This will help you see the operation area more clearly. Thank you for watching the video.